Welcome to this detailed review of BillQuick, a versatile accounting and business management tool designed to streamline your workflow. In this video, we'll explore everything BillQuick has to offer, from its intuitive interface to its advanced features for project management, billing, and time tracking. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or part of a larger firm, this platform promises to make managing your finances and projects a breeze. We begin by logging into the platform, where you're greeted with a clean, well-organized dashboard. From here, you can access critical features such as time tracking, project management, and detailed billing reports. The time tracking feature is particularly noteworthy. It allows you to input hours for various projects seamlessly, which are then linked directly to billing. This integration eliminates the need for manual data entry and reduces errors. Next, we dive into the project management tools. BillQuick allows users to create detailed project plans, assign tasks, and monitor progress in real time. The system provides visual charts and updates, making it easier to stay on top of deadlines and deliverables. It's a must-have for teams who value efficiency and transparency. Another standout feature is the billing and invoicing system. You can customize invoices to reflect your branding and send them directly to clients from the platform. The automated reminders for unpaid invoices are particularly helpful for maintaining a steady cash flow. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video to explore additional tools and insights that can complement your experience with BillQuick. Continuing, we examine the reporting capabilities. BillQuick offers a range of customizable reports that provide actionable insights into your business's performance. From financial summaries to detailed expense tracking, you'll find everything you need to make informed decisions. For accountants and business managers, this is a valuable feature that simplifies analysis and strategy planning. Lastly, the pricing and support options are worth mentioning. BillQuick offers various subscription tiers to fit different needs, and their customer support is responsive and knowledgeable. Whether you're troubleshooting or need guidance setting up the platform, their team is ready to assist. Overall, BillQuick is a robust solution for accounting and project management that combines usability with powerful functionality. It's an excellent choice for professionals seeking a reliable tool to enhance their productivity. If you found this review helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tutorials on business tools. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content.